Welcome to our channel. Today is September 22nd, 2023. This is Italy, Milan. There is damage in the northern regions due to bad weather conditions.
Ma c'è un albero caduto. Ricordi della piscina su un coso.
Besides very heavy rains resulting in landslides and flooding in the Apennines and the Verbano region, the Genoa region and Parma, a hurricane was also recorded in Lombardy. Especially the vortex that developed on the outskirts of Milan. Testimonies come from Ro and Pregnana Milanese. Unfortunately, there is damage. You can see the debris created by the tornado in the videos. Between 45 and 50 millimeters of rain fell in the region. That's all the current developments for now. Don't forget to subscribe to be informed about new developments. Thank you for listening to me. See you later.